Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it we need to grab our watch, flip it around, and on the back of our watch you should see that on each side of the watch next to each strap we have this button basically. And to release these straps we need to press on this button, and once you press on the button you should be able to pull out the strap. It's quite hard to push this button because it's spring loaded, but try to press it with your fingernail or something like that, and once you press it the strap should come off like this. You just need to press it hard enough so this mechanism right here releases the strap. Okay, so let's do the same for the second one. Like this. And here we have our watch and our straps. And basically how this mechanism works is we have this, I don't know what it is, but basically latch that latches on this piece of metal on our straps. And to release it we need to press the button to retract this latch and basically release the strap. And once you get new straps, to put them on, simply press on this button again to retract the mechanism right here and put the straps in. They should click in basically. And once they click in, they will hold. Quite simple. It's easier to put them on than take them off, in my opinion at least. So you push the button in, put the strap, and it will click in and then hold. Like this. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.